Look at this here, man. 3 airplanes seating the high pressure area of the southernmost part of eastern Montgomery County. This is all blue before. Now it's kind of clouded. There's an airplane coming across, one up there, and they're pretty close to one another. It's taking care of that clear blue area. And this contrail is really wide. Wasn't here before. This occurred in the last 15 minutes. They just spread out so fast, you know. And 3 of them together now. It's going to cloud that whole sky up. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.